Hey guys, coming to you today, July 30th, 2021 with an update for Tronmoon. Today, I just wanted to show you just the power of using your referral link when you talk to people on your personal social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever you're using. As you know, Tronmoon has had a relaunch offering 3% daily return, 300% total ROI, 5 levels of referral that equal 15%. They have relaunched with a 35% auto redeposit, and the minimum is still 200. They are going to come out with another fixed compound plan, but we'll go over that later when they do launch that. But what I do want to show you is that, so on our first relaunch video, I did a live deposit of 200 TRX, and this is showing you what's withdrawable now. So what I actually earned over the last 2 days is 7.07 TRX. The reason that it says 9,000 bonus withdrawable is because by sharing the link, whoever this person is, that this one referral that clicked on the link, for it to be 5%, they invested 180,000 TRX. And so we were rewarded for that. And just to give you an idea of what that means in terms of dollars, right now I think TRX is still trading around 5 cents. So if it's still at 5 cents, that's 450 US dollars. Okay, so the power of the referral is definitely real. What I'd like for you to do, whoever this person is, I'd love to share your link on a future Tronmoon video. Just get in contact with me either from the YouTube channel or the Facebook page, and I'll be happy to post your link for everyone. So what we're going to do now is just do a withdrawal. And as you know, since we've went over this a couple of days ago, there's an automatic redeposit of 35%. Okay, see, and there you go, 3152.4758. And that's all I wanted to say about that for today. Referrals work. So in instances like this, when companies have to relaunch, you can recoup your initial investment faster just by sharing your link. So if something does happen in the future, you're like, hey, well, I made this investment, but through the power of sharing, I was able to recoup faster. And yes, I do count referral dollars in my original recoupment. So there you go. As I've always said before, if you belong to both the YouTube channel and the Facebook page, please get in touch with me. I'd love to share your link on a video in the future, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Thank you.